Thanks, John. Hello again. I'd like to stay with the fisheries theme just for a moment because the Environment Agency's actually done quite a bit of work on the likely effects of climate change on UK fisheries. And already with higher sea temperatures, we're seeing some adverse changes to the migration routes of eel and salmon heading in towards UK waters. And across the inland waters in the freshwater stocks, we could well see earlier spawning of coarse fish particularly, giving them a longer growing season. But some species will probably do better than others, so we're likely to see the balance of species within our lakes and rivers starting to change. And we're going to have to watch out for foreign species actually doing quite well under the higher water temperatures. Now, we're seeing higher air temperatures today across the UK, a beautiful day across England and Wales, particularly temperatures a couple of degrees up on what we saw through yesterday, so getting up into the mid to low 20s, and just sea breezes keeping things fairly comfortable around the coast. Quite a warm afternoon, quite a sunny afternoon too for most places. A little bit hazy, perhaps that sunshine across Northern Ireland and some western parts of England and Wales, but really very pleasant out there for the next few hours. A little bit uncomfortable tonight though. It was quite chilly in places last night, but tonight a muggier feel to things. Temperatures between 13 and 15 degrees typically, and a bit of a hot one tomorrow, particularly for England and Wales. Temperatures getting up into the high 20s in some southern areas. 28 Celsius is 82 Fahrenheit. Lots of sunshine on offer once again, maybe not so much across Northern Ireland. And some of these western coasts could well find mist and sea fog just drifting in off the Irish Sea from time to time, but still some sunshine coming through now and again. Now, Tuesday is another hot one from the look of it. Hotter still, in fact. We could well see a 30 somewhere across southern parts of England and Wales. Lots of sunshine on offer once again, a real humid feel to things. Head further north though for northern England and for Northern Ireland, where it looks like we'll see more in the way of cloud beginning to nudge in from the north as the day goes on. Slightly lower temperatures and possibly even some rain into Northern Ireland before the end of the day, moving southwards from Scotland. And that's a sign of a trend for the rest of the week. A scorcher for the opening day at Ascot. By the time we get through towards the end of the week, a much cooler feel to the weather and some showers beginning to come through as well. And that's because we've got a weather front pushing southwards around this area of high pressure. It's a cold front, so as you might expect, things are going to turn cooler as it pushes through. And it should be clear of most parts of the UK, I think, by the start of the day on Wednesday. By Thursday, well, we're into that run of cool, fresh north to northwesterly winds. That's going to make it feel quite a bit different, I think, and bring some showers for many of us as well. On the weather front itself, there probably won't be that much rain if you are looking for some rain for the farm or the garden, but that cooler weather pushing in behind it certainly will make its presence felt. I think by Wednesday, temperatures much lower, 18 to 21 typically across England and Wales, 16, 17 further north, with a scattering of showers coming in. And that's how it's going to stay, I think, through to the end of the week. Not much rain, I have to say, across southwestern parts of the UK. The best chance of catching some showers, even then, though, fairly hit and miss across more central and eastern parts. That's it. Now back to John.